What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis, also kind of a short update on my last price analysis on the Sandbox cryptocurrency. I am at least going to try to give you a good analysis because analyzing this crypto has been very difficult. I still remember price being right here. Then I did my first analysis. I thought it would bounce off of this level. Well, if you would have bought back then, you would have had quite a couple of 100% gains. And yeah, that makes the Sandbox very difficult to predict because frankly you cannot predict such a move, really. I mean, all the way to 8.5 from 1.5, that's a huge gain. However, I am going to try to do it, at least maybe give you a nice new price target to look out for. Because in my opinion, the Sandbox will have to consolidate a little bit. December, in my opinion, is probably going to be bullish for the whole crypto market. But because November and October have been very bullish on the Sandbox, we might see some consolidation in the beginning of December for the Sandbox. In order to get it ready to start another bull run again, because I definitely do think that if you look at the market cap and the project and similar projects, there's still room for growth. There's a 6.4 market cap, 6.4 billion, excuse me. And if we look at something like the Decentraland, not completely comparable, but somewhat, that's at an 8.8 billion market cap. So I think there's still room for growth. Both projects are very good. So, and a lot of usage for the Sand coin. So I still think there's gas left in the tank, but I think we will see a small consolidation between, in my opinion, ultimately 7.4 and 5.7. That 5.7 might turn out to be a little bit lower, maybe around 5.3 or 5.0 at the end of the consolidation, because you tend to see that when prices are going to have a bull run after a consolidation, that the price before that drops down a little bit lower, basically to get some buyers out of their positions. And it works as following: people will buy from the lower bound of the consolidation, have their stop loss at the next key level. Institutional traders or big whales will put their buy limits on top of those stop loss orders. So when all the stop losses are being filled, they are being filled by those whales, who then quite cheaply will accumulate a lot of coins and cause a bull run. So we might see a lower bound of consolidation towards the end of the consolidation, but I think that's pretty reasonable and quite realistic to see from the Sandbox right now. Some interesting price areas within that consolidation, in my opinion, will be 7.5, 6.4 and ultimately 5.7, and like I said, maybe 5.3. And that consolidation, it's difficult to tell how long that will take. In my opinion, that would range all the way from a couple of days, so 5 to 6 days, up until 2 weeks. And then I think my next price target would be around 10.4. There's an important fib there, and the Sandbox seems to be resisting at the 0.4 levels around the whole chart. So that's why I think 10.4 is a realistic new price area to look for in a new bull run. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on the Sandbox. I think that's the most realistic scenario. But having said that, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion based on technical analysis. And the price of the Sandbox has been moving very crazily in the last few weeks. So we might just see that bull run right now. But that's then you still know the price target I'd be looking out for. But yeah, still I think this is the most probable outcome, the most probable scenario, and quite realistic as well. So yeah, having said that, that is the end of my analysis. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that with some more explanation or at least an answer. And yeah, thank you for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.